Don't miss this unique opportunity to own an end-unit midsize townhome in Carriage Hill with a 2-car garage. This rare find home is a beauty with open concept floor plan and tons of upgrades. The living and dining space feature hardwood floors, crown molding, share rail and plantation shutters. The gourmet kitchen has granite counters, upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances, pantry, island and a sunny breakfast area that has French doors overlooking the private Trek deck patio that is perfect for entertaining. The master suite has a huge walk-in closet and ensuite bath with a double head shower, double sink granite vanity and upgraded tile. Beautiful dual staircases lead to the full finished basement that has a large media room or game room plus French doors to a bonus room that could be a great private office, 4th bedroom or guest space. A very special end unit that overlooks open space, woods and trees with spectacular views.